Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Mabs. Welcome to my trading channel. And the purpose of today is basically, guys, I just want to show you how to take the trades, on the MetaTrader 4 platform. I'm going to show you how to find the positions, okay? I'm going to show you how to actually find the actual opportunities, and I'm going to basically show you how to take the trades on MetaTrader 4. Okay, so I do have an emulator on my phone, on my laptop, so I'll be able to show you guys what exactly you need to do on the mobile version of MetaTrader 4. Okay, so like you guys know already, we're using this trading software, the Fibo Quantum trading software. All right, and given that, having said that, we are going to use this system to actually find some trading positions, some opportunities, and obviously, some people just don't know how to use the mobile version of MetaTrader 4. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in just a bit. Okay, but yeah, before we actually go too much deep into this thing, right, let's try to go back to our rules there, guys. Okay, let me just move the screen real quick so you guys can actually understand, because you need to know what exactly we're looking for. All right, we need to know exactly what exactly it is that we're looking for in order to actually do well in these markets. Okay, so let's just basically briefly go through the rules. If you have this system already, or you got it from me, you already have this document. This is the first one, the 15-minute strategy document. Okay, I'm just going to go through the rules of our trading style or trading opportunities, okay, before I actually show you guys how to take the trades on MetaTrader 4. So basically, what it is that you need to look for is, if you want to be looking for buy trade, it has to set up to something like this. Okay, the price has to be above the 100 period moving average. The buy level must be reached, and then the system gives you stop loss and take profit levels like you see in the guide. Okay, so let me just scroll down so you can see a little bit better. So basically, this is what a buy trade would look like. This is what we are going to try to find in the markets, and this is what we're going to base our signals on. Okay, so you can see there was the buy entry, there's buy stop loss and take profit. So you know how it is. We've gone into detail over that. Okay, and then for sell trade, guys, these are the rules that need to align. Okay, the price must be below the 100 period moving average, the sell price must be reached, and then obviously we get stop loss and we get take profit levels that are given. So you can see that pretty clearly. It's been well explained before, and if you want to know more about what I'm saying, there are some videos that I did post up on this. Okay, so this is just for basic general. All right, so now that's the first guide that you get. Okay, and then the second one is, let me just go over to it. My computer's just being a little bit slow. I think it's because of all these programs that I've got running here. Okay, so this is the second guide, guys, and you have all of them. Okay, that's the people who have all of these guides are the ones who actually bought the system from me. Okay, but anyways, here I highlight the different trading sessions and what it is that I actually trade. As you can see right there, things that are popular for me to trade or that I prefer is the G30, your UK 100, NAS 100, US 30, and the Forex majors. Okay, but preferably I'd like to go for the indices before anything else, because those are the ones that actually move. Because why do you want to trade dead markets? You know what I mean? You want to trade stuff that moves. Okay, but anyways, you can go ahead and go through that second guide as well. Okay, and then the third one is basically the one where I share with you my risk management strategy. Okay, so to understand more, you have to just go through this one and understand it. Okay, because I know some of the people that got the system from me, they didn't read the guides. Okay, and then I see that when they start asking me questions that are in the guides. All right, so it's a very quick read. It's nothing too major. Okay, it's nothing too major. Something just popped up on my screen. I'm just trying to, this Windows thing. It just pops up on your screen and doesn't disappear. All right, so anyways, now that we know the basic rules, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the PC version of MetaTrader 4. Okay, and I'm gonna try find maybe a signal that we're gonna take on the mobile version of MetaTrader 4. You're gonna understand it just a bit, okay? So this currently is the US30 right now. It already moved, so let me just try see if we won't find any other signals on the other instruments, and it's just so that we can make an example that is relevant to our trading system. Okay, so it's just a little bit slow. We just have to give it a little bit of time, and then it's going to be all set. Okay, so UK 100 also moved already. Okay, I'm going to look at and see if we can't find an example on the NAS 100. If we don't find one, we're going to have to look at um, the forex majors. Okay, so let's just wait and see what's going to happen, but we should be able to find one soon, or we'll just thumb suck one, okay, for the sake of the illustrations. Okay, so this one already moved as well, so I think now where's G30? I can't even see where G30 is. That one also is a very good one that we can make an example with as to like how to take the trades. But anyways, I really can't find it. I don't know why. It's hiding somewhere. Okay, it's hiding somewhere. Let me just quickly go through it. If you see it, just shout, let me know. G40. No, we don't want the G40. We want the G30. G30. Or has the name changed to G40? Hey, you'll never know. You'll never know. You'll never know. You'll never know. Where is it? I can't find it. Can't find it. You'll find that it probably changed. But anyways, that's besides the point. Okay, let me just scroll quickly and see if there's not an example that we can take. And you know, guys, I sound very tired. That's because I am. You know, I've just been so busy these past few these past few days, man. Like, it's been hectic. Okay, and then I'm just doing this so that you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly browse through, because I want to make an example with something that you guys can see. Okay, GBP, JPY, AUD, like I'm literally going through whatever chart that I can find so that we can make an example, you know, with a trading entry or sell entry, whatever. So let's just check USD CAD. I usually don't trade Monday mornings. That's because, you know, sometimes you get trap moves, you know, but sometimes you do get some pretty good movements. Okay, if we don't find any better thing, we're gonna make an example with AUD CAD. It's looking good. This is AUD JPY. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Okay, that's already moved. Let's see. So AUD CAD is looking like, okay, and even AUD NZD looks like something we can make an example with. It's aligning to the rules, but I like to see if there aren't any better ones. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, now the computer is just lagging a bit. You know, it's quite annoying when you know your hardware does this. I don't know why computers get slow. You know, so you can have the best computer, and then, you know, for some strange reason it'll just turn up on you, and you won't be able to do what it is that you need to do. You know, it's crazy. Hey guys, I'm very tired. I'm very tired. I'm very tired. Went through a funeral this weekend, and you know, I'm still feeling the after effects. Yo, very tired. Okay, we're just gonna look through the GBP pairs. If we see nothing, I'm gonna make an example with the AUD NZD. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, that's already moved. All right, I think we're just gonna make an example with the AUD NZD. Okay, that's the Australian dollar to the New Zealand dollar, right? Let's just see GBP NZD. Okay, before I go there, I'm somebody who likes to do things proper, you know, so that's why you see me doing this. Okay, hang tight just a bit, guys. Hang tight just a bit. We're gonna get it. Okay, my computer froze again. This is annoying, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So okay, NZD JPY. Okay, last one before we go up. I'm gonna try my luck with silver. We might have something right there. Okay, hold on. Let's just wait and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the only one that makes sense right now that we can make an example with is AUD NZD. Okay. Now, why did I pick this one? It's because it's aligning to the rules that we have set. Okay, that the first thing is the price needs to be beneath the 100-period moving average, which you can see over there, and then the sell entry must be triggered. Okay, so it got triggered over there, and then the price has just been ranging there. So we're going to open up a sell here, all right, and then we're going to put a stop loss where it says sell stop loss. Let me put a horizontal line so we can get the value. Okay, I'm going to put it right there, and I want to make that into a brighter color so that you can see. All right, let's click OK. Hold on, let me make this yellow. Okay, that's where we're going to put our stop loss at 1.03232, and let me just crunch this up a little bit, and then this is where we're going to put our take profit. Okay, so basically when you get a signal, now the purpose of today is I just want to show you how to use the mobile version app, or the app on the mobile version, to actually input these signals. Okay, so I'm going to take the sell as it is right now. Okay, and then I'm going to put my stop loss up here, and then I'm going to put my take profit down here. Okay, so yeah, let's move over to the emulator. Let me just check if everything is still okay on my live stream. You know, I don't want to hold on, guys, just want to make sure that everything's okay. Hold on. I think technology is not on my side, but if this isn't clear enough, I think I'll just do a live on TikTok, and then we will just continue there. But let me just check. I'm just checking my live stream if it's still going on, guys. Just checking if it's still going on. A lot of network issues right now. There's a lot of network issues. I hope I didn't lose anybody. But yeah, it's gonna make sense in just a bit. It's gonna make sense in just a bit. All right. It's just loading. It's just loading, guys. All right. Okay, I think we're still in the stream, guys, because I just went into the what you call this thing again. I just went into my YouTube studio. It looks like we're still on. It looks like we're still on. Okay, wait, there's something going on. Something going on. Oh my word, man. We're having trouble with the stream, guys. We're having trouble with the stream. Oh my word. I think it's my internet. Okay. I think it's my internet. Yeah. Okay, we're back. All right, it seems like we're back. So I'm just going to take this opportunity. Okay, guys, so you see where we're going to put our stop loss and where we're going to put our take profit. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and go to our MetaTrader 4 on our on our phones. Okay. Now remember, that was the we found a trade on the USAUD NZD. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like on your MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, you've got the trading instruments right there, and you know, you'd actually, like, for you to actually put the trades, or to actually what's this thing, to add it here. If you want to add something here, you're gonna have to come to this plus. It might look a little bit different to what it is that's on your phone, but essentially everything works the same. Okay, so the first thing is you want to make sure that whatever it is that you want to trade is on this list. Okay, so as you can see, I already put US30 here, NAS 100 there, and then Bitcoin right there. Okay, and there's other stuff too. But for this particular example, right, I got a trade on AUD NZD. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this plus right here. Okay, I'm going to click that plus, and that plus basically is how you're going to add that's how you're going to add other trading instruments that you want to trade. Okay, whether it's US30 or whatever. That's how you're gonna actually input it there. Okay, so it's just taking a little bit of time to load. It's gonna be quick on your phone. It's just that it's a bit slow on my end. Okay, because I am using a PC and this is an emulator. Okay, so right up here you're gonna just type in whatever it is that you want to add. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type AUDNZD. You see, it's even very slow, guys. Okay, it's very slow. So AUDNZD. Okay, let's just wait for it. Let's just be a little bit patient, guys. Okay, and as you can see, it's right there. Okay, it will appear. You just click on that, right? And then you just close this, and then you go back, right? You go back, and okay, I'm just waiting for it to refresh. Then you just go. It should be at the bottom of the list. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, and as you can see, I've added it. Okay, so the first thing you do is you add whatever it is that you want to trade. Okay, if it's not already on your list. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna click on it. All right, and then you can open chart. Okay, you open chart. We want to open a sell trade, guys, because we found a sell signal. Okay, gonna click open chart, and we're just gonna wait. Okay, it looks like it opened. Okay, it opened up the right one. Okay, and remember, guys, we want to sell. Okay, so I'm just trying to see where's this thing now. Hold on, guys. All right, so this is the chart now, and I'm just trying to figure out because hold on. Oh shit, I pressed something wrong. Okay. All right. So sometimes on your phone it will appear, sometimes it won't. You just click on the screen, right? And then this stuff should appear. You can see there's this page with a plus, this funny looking F, and these other things right here. Okay. So that if that doesn't appear right away, you can just click here, and then you look for this if you want to open up a trade. You look for this plus sign on a page. This one here. It might be positioned differently on your phone. Okay. And you just click on that, right? And we're looking to trade. Okay, so it's going to be a right now trade. The first thing is you select your lot size. All right, for this particular, this is a demo account, guys, so it doesn't really matter what I'm going to put here. It's just for the purpose of this, so I'm just going to go ahead and go crazy and put 10. All right, and then our stop loss that the system gave us, right? You're going to put it here where it's red. Sometimes it's written and say stop loss, so the stop loss was 1.03232. All right, and then the take profit, let me just go back and see. The take profit is 1.02826. All right, okay, so it's 1.02826. all right, so these numbers I got them from the software, the system. Okay, so the take profit is that take profit one from the system, and then this red one here, this is the stop loss. Okay, so you just click sell, okay, because the system told us to sell, and then once you click on sell, your trade should open. Okay, as you can see, it's just checking if I've got enough money in the account for that, and then you just wait a little bit, and then you see once it says order open, your trade is live, right? It's live right there. You can see the trade is going, and you can see that if I just click on it like this, you can see that my stop loss has been placed as the same stop loss that I saw that side. Okay, and then this is the take profit that I got from the system. So that's in a nutshell how you actually put up a trade. Okay, very simple. But anyways, if you want to add another trade on this, okay, you can still do that. Okay, you can come back to the chart here just to make it easy. Okay, and as you can see, you just click somewhere on the screen, come to this plus right here. Okay, come to that plus, and then you can just add another trade if you want. Okay, so 1.03232, I think that's what the stop loss was, and then it was 1.02826, something like this. Okay, and then that's how you sell. Okay, so once you get the signals or whatever, you come back down to your MetaTrader 4, right, on your phone, and then you can just input the stop loss and the take profit that's there, that's given. All right, very, very easy. That's all you have to do. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I just have to apologize for me sounding like I don't have energy, guys. I'm just really, really tired. Just really, really tired. And then we're going to continue with the US30 challenge, right? Later on TikTok. Okay. I couldn't continue with it last week because I had some family responsibility things that I had to deal with. All right. And then also another thing that you need to be aware of. Okay, you can change the chart time frame here. It will look differently on your phone. You can put the H1 chart, right? Something like that. You can put the 15-minute chart here. You can basically control everything from your mobile version of MetaTrader 4. Okay, yeah, so that's easy. So let's see, for interest's sake, right? I think I might be coming down with flu, guys. Oh shit. I hope it's not the vid. All right. So yeah, guys. Yeah, since there are no signals right now, I'll just make a random example with just buying, right? I'm gonna make a random example with just buying. Let me just open up any random chart, okay? And remember, guys, the purpose of today is just showing you how the how to put the trades on the mobile version of MetaTrader 4. Okay, now look at this picture here, guys. Okay, let's just say, to imagine, okay, because we can't find a signal right now, right? So the signals might come later. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do, right? Let's just say for whatever reason we want to sell there. Let's assume that the system gave us a sell right there. I'm going to make this into a blue line, right? Okay, let's say we're selling there. Okay, and then let's say we get our system tells us that we should put our stop loss here, so I'm going to make this red. Okay, all right, and then let's say our system tells us that our take profit one is down here, right? I just want to show you what you're going to do. Okay, so basically the values for what you're going to need to put are here on the right hand side. Here you can see on this horizontal line is 33,864.6. this is going to be our take profit. 34,033, that's the entry price. Okay, and then our stop loss is going to be 34,149. This is a random example. Okay, I want to show you guys how exactly we're going to put this. Okay, so let me just write these values down so that I don't have to come back to the screen when you know, yeah, when I want to put the signal. Okay, so let's go back to our platform here. Okay, so back on our phone now, right? And we got a signal that we want to input. Okay, we got a signal that we want to input, and we want to put it on our mobile version of the MetaTrader 4. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is just hold on my G's, hold on my G's. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me just roll this out. Right, you're gonna come back here. This is a demo, guys. You know, I just did this for the purpose of the illustrations, right? So yeah, don't trip on that because I'm using an emulator on my computer, right? So yeah, so basically we're gonna come here to US30, right? US30 MIC, right? And we're gonna click on that, and we're gonna open chart, right, like that. And it's gonna bring us back to the US30 chart, right? We're gonna open up a trade now. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Once you got the chart opened up, you can click on the screen and then come to this page with a plus. It might be positioned differently on your phone, right? And then we're looking to sell. So you see, you first select your lot size. Okay, you can change that to whatever value is suitable for your trading account, and then you can basically put the signals right there. So this was the stop loss, right? So it's 34,149.9. You could just input it there, and then if for the take profit, you can just say 33 864 point. This is an example, random example, guys, and then you can just click sell. Okay, once you click sell, your trade is open, and then you see these are the running trades that we have. So you come to this screen, and then on the screen is where you can actually see where your trades, like your running trades. Okay, and from here you can close the trades. You can close the trades. You can open up a new trade. You can modify the trade. You can go back to the chart. So you can do a lot of things. So once you've got trades open, this is where you're gonna see what's happening. Okay, and up here it's gonna, if it's red like this, it means that you're not in profit overall. Okay, and now if it's red like this, and it will show you a number here, this number that you see is basically gonna be like you're showing you how much you are losing or how much you're making at the time. So when you're making money, it turns blue up here, and then you can see the numbers are gonna be blue, and then there'll be whatever value that it is. Okay, so it's quite easy. Okay, so it's very easy. You don't have to stress too much about it, but typically your platform will look something like this. Okay, it will look something like this. All right, it will look something like this. And yeah, so if you want to add, let's say if there's something that you want to trade and it's not here, you just come to the plus there, and then you just search it and add it. Okay, very easy, very easy, very easy, very easy. Yeah, let's see here. Let's go back to this chart, open chart. So yeah, just play around with the app, and then just get used to it, because a lot of times, okay, traders, you're always with your phone, so you need to know how the mobile MetaTrader 4 looks like. Okay, so yeah, I hope that helps a bit. I hope it helps a bit, helps you to understand what's going on. Okay, so um, I'm gonna be live again on TikTok later, right? I'm gonna be live on TikTok, and then I'm gonna be basically showing you guys the entries, okay? And basically doing the NAS 100. I mean the US 30 7-day challenge, okay? So yeah, if you've got any questions, just let me know. And yeah, if you want to know more, just let me know. If it didn't make sense to you, just let me know as well, so that I can change whatever it is that needs to be changed. Okay, but anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that this helps you to understand the basics that you need to understand. Okay, all right, cheers, man.